What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode of the Market Marauder Show. Hope everybody's having a great day of trading. If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. All right, so today I'll be talking about Ocugen, ticker sign OCGN. Now the market is still open, but this one has gone crazy in the past day. So this day is just uh, seen it rally. It's gone all the way up to 1877. But I wanted to briefly talk about it because I think it definitely um, has a lot of volume and a lot of potential to continue to go up, in my personal opinion. So, despite what it's doing now, it's going down a little bit. It did touch 1877. It's hovering around the 1660 level at the time of this video. But I like to give some background information on why I think this definitely has the potential to go up even higher from here. Now, this is from the perspective of Webull. If you'd like to sign up for Webull and get 4 free stocks when you deposit $100 or more, I have a link down below in the description where you can do so, and you can jump in on the charts and look at them where I'm at. So I'm using this based off the moving average 10, 50, and 100, and also VWAP 14. And then also I'm using the 30-minute chart, so that's the interval that I like to use. Overall, the stock is still bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100, which is one of my indicators. And then VWAP is above moving average 10, which is another one of my indicators. So both of my indicators are positive, meaning that this stock is bullish. So background on them and why I think they're going to continue to move. Then I'll give my price target on them. We can see that they announced on the 7th of February a $23 million registered direct offering of common stock priced at a premium to market. So I think this will definitely help the stock continue to go up even further and definitely help the company in the long term, in my personal opinion. One of the big catalysts, though, that I think will ultimately solidify this company as to going to this new price target that I'm going to be given is this news that came on the second. So on the second, Ocugen and this other biotech company um, gave an execution of definitive agreement for commercialization of Covaxin in the U.S. market. So the definitive agreement details of previously announced intent to co-develop Covaxin on the U.S. market. But this Covaxin basically is a vaccine. So if you look at all the vaccine companies, you got Moderna, Pfizer, Inovio has one, Johnson and Johnson just recently got approval for one. But this company is a lot smaller than all of those companies. So I think the potential for it to go up is definitely there compared to a lot of the other companies. So this Covaxin that both of these companies have made has just received EUA, which is emergency use authorization in India in January, and is currently fully enrolled in phase 3 clinical trial involving 25,800 patients. So it says the Covaxin whole virin inactivated vaccine candidate effectively neutralizes UK variant, which is good as well, and possibly reducing the possibility of mutant virus escape. So it seems to be very good. They're in their phase 3 trial of it as well, but it's been um, authorized in India, which India has a large population. So distribution numbers is going to be one thing that I'm looking for in the future from this Covaxin. But I think it's a very good step forward for the company. I think they can definitely become very profitable from this. So definitely going to be looking for some more updates as time goes on with this. This did come out in the second, but I think this is huge news for the company. Very impressive in my personal opinion, and the market definitely is reflecting that it is a good move for the company. Now, this one has not been on mainstream media that I know of at all, so I haven't seen it come across CNBC. I haven't seen it come across any major news outlets so far. But I think once traction starts to build up and more people figure out what this company is doing, and that they have positive news, it definitely will shoot up even more. So price target that I personally have for this stock, I think it can get to about $25 per share by the end of the month, in my personal opinion. Now, this you can see people have just started to jump on a lot of people talking about it. It's starting to get a little bit of buzz, but I think when people jump in and actually look at what the company is doing, we could definitely see it hit that $25 stock strike price. So, in my opinion, I think it will hover around the 16, and may possibly even get to this level right here, which is 1173. But I definitely think it could bounce back off of that and definitely test this 1877 level yet again, and then go back up to possibly hit that $25 strike price. So definitely keep your eyes out on ticker sign OCGN for Ocugen. I know more people will probably talk about this. You'll probably see a lot of videos come out on YouTube about this, but make sure you keep an eye out on them because I think they definitely have potential to go up from this news. All right, make sure you hit that thumbs up while you're down there, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.